Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. As you know, we just celebrated a great holiday. Hopefully you guys got to spend some time with family. I know we did, and had some great food along the way, and some great beer too, by the way. Nothing hugely new for today in terms of videos we've dropped or anything like that, but what's going on right now?
It's the Black Friday sale. So there's, literally over 300 products on sale, maybe even 400 today. The best deals you're gonna get all year. Today is when you wanna check out that November of Splendor page.
Yeah, I noticed there was a few items on there that never go on sale, so that's pretty exciting. Be sure to check it out, MoreBeer.com.
And of course, we can't forget the kit of the week, so here you go.
This week's kit of the week is a clone of a super famous beer. Plump Wheel. Plump Wheel, Plump Wheel, Plump Wheel.
So yeah, Plump Wheel is a clone of New Belgium's Fat Tire, which is a lot of people's, probably introduction to craft beer. It's an amber, maltier beer, but what makes it unique is it's a Belgian yeast strain. So, it's got some of those phenols that you think of Belgium. Just delicious beer.
So to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter that weekly giveaway. So to recap, we are giving away 10 of these. Not 10 to 1 winner, but to 10 winners. Each get one, and you get to choose what size you want. So that greatly improves your odds of winning. So be sure to enter this month's giveaway at morebeer.com/freebeerfriday.